Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make baked ziti. This is an easy and delicious baked pasta recipe that you can make, and if you love lasagna, you will definitely love this recipe. So let me show you how to make it. You're going to need 1 pound of ziti pasta, 1 pound of ground beef, 30 ounces of marinara sauce or tomato sauce, 1 onion that's chopped, 3 garlic cloves that's minced, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and 3/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 egg, salt and pepper to taste, and 2 cups of Italian blend cheese. Let's start by cooking the pasta. So in a pot of boiling water, add in a generous amount of salt and also pour in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Cook the ziti pasta in boiling water till al dente according to package instruction. And make sure to not overcook the pasta. I cooked mine for exact 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan over medium heat, pour in about a tablespoon of olive oil and add in the minced garlic and the chopped onions and saute till translucent. Add in the ground beef and break it down. Once broken down, cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you end up getting grease, make sure to strain the ground beef and add it back in the pan. Add in the spices, which are the Italian seasoning and the red pepper flakes and salt and pepper. And saute for another 3 to 4 minutes. Pour in the marinara sauce and give it a good stir. Bring the meat sauce to a simmer and remove it from the heat. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And in a bowl of ricotta cheese, add in the egg, salt and pepper, and mix till it's combined. Now add the cheese mixture into the cooked and drained pasta. Also add in about 3 to 4 scoops of the meat sauce. Combine the cheese mixture and the meat sauce in with the pasta. Now it's time to layer everything in a 13 x 9 inch baking dish. Begin by adding a thin layer of the meat sauce to the bottom of the pan. Then add in half of the pasta over the sauce. Add in a cup of the Italian cheese blend. And top this with the rest of the pasta. And pour the rest of the meat sauce over the pasta. And finally top with the rest of the Italian cheese blend. Now bake this for 20 to 22 minutes in the oven. I like to also garnish this with fresh parsley before serving. This dish is so easy to make and so delicious. It's definitely a comfort food. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes. And I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!